Hi, I'm Castman. Welcome to Sunrise Metal. Today, let me take you inside our aluminium die casting and precision machining factory. At Sunrise, a reliable aluminium component starts long before production. Our team reviews the part structure, wall thickness, machining allowance, porosity risk, and production feasibility, helping customers turn a design into a manufacturable and scalable product. Then comes aluminium die casting. With vacuum die casting, semi-solid Rio casting, and stable mold temperature control, we focus on internal quality, dimensional stability, and batch-to-batch consistency. For high-specification components, casting is only the first step. In our CNC machining workshop, we machine critical dimensions, assembly surfaces, and functional areas for medical devices, robotics, marine electronics, and precision industrial applications. Quality is not just a final inspection. From incoming materials to final inspection, we use CMM, CT scanner, 3D scanning, and other inspection equipment to keep key processes measurable, recorded, and traceable. Sunrise Metal provides one-stop manufacturing support from prototyping to volume production. I'm Castman. Thanks for visiting Sunrise Metal. Sunrise Metal, casting trust with professionalism.